കല്യാണി അറിയത്
Yeah.
മനസ്സിലായോ? ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ലോജിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ?
But why? Why?
വൈ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ക്യാഷ് അറ്റ് ബാങ്കും ക്യാഷ് അറ്റ് ഹാൻഡും അത് അത് നമുക്ക് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാല് റിയലൈസേഷൻ അത് ശരിക്കും എനിക്കറിയില്ല കേട്ടോ.
Oh,
ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം.
okay.
ക്യാഷ് അറ്റ് ഹാൻഡും ക്യാഷ് അറ്റ് ബാങ്കും അപ്പോ ക്യാഷ് ഇൻ ഹാൻഡും അതെന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കല്യാണി
Yeah.
പിന്നെ ഇൻ റിയലൈസേഷൻ അക്കൗണ്ട് ക്ലോസ്. ഓക്കെ. അയ്യോ ഇതെന്താ?
Hello everyone. Good evening. Hello Sophian. Hello Maria.
Good
Morning,
evening,
sir.
sir.
Good evening. So in our previous class, we were doing inventory turnover ratio, which I think we have completed. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you solved any question of that? The inventory turnover ratio?
No, sir.
Why? You don't have the book.
Yes, sir.
So why not you have solved the question?
I'll solve it today, sir.
Okay. But when you delay the solving part, means you're delaying the revision part and you will forget some of the part we have discussed in the class. So it will make it difficult to solve the question.
Okay, sir.
So whenever we practice any question, any topic in the class, you should solve at least one or two questions within 24 hours. That is important. Okay. So, do you have any doubt related to inventory turnover ratio? Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. Uh, have actually I have solved. I remember two question of inventory turnover ratio in the previous class. Have you solved any question? of inventory turnover ratio?
Just the one you gave yesterday.
So you solved that?
Not the homework, the one you gave in class.
Okay. One question you have solved. That was very easy, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay, let's solve one or two question more. Inventory turnover ratio is an important ratio. So
Sir, will it come in exam?
will it come in an exam?
Yes, sir.
That
Questions related to this, like inventory turnover. Because we did so many questions, that's why I'm asking.
actually the thing is what will come in the exam, that is like very hard to know, because in examination they will give you question. If you are asking the topic wise detail, then yes, it can come. Okay, I cannot say for sure, but it may come, like it will come in the exam. uh, Not with 100% surety, I cannot say that. So
Oh,
in a chapter like the ratio chapter, I have 6 to 8 marks weightage.
yes.
Yes. So yes, some of the questions can be from the ratio chapter, and in that there is 10-20% chance that inventory turnover ratio will come. Now there is 5 to 6 ratio which is very important. One, current ratio, liquid ratio, both are important. In solvency ratio, debt equity ratio is the most important. In activity ratio, inventory turnover ratio is the most important. Okay. In profitability ratio, return on capital employed, gross profit is the most important one. So these are the ratio that is very, very important for like exam purpose. There are other ratios also which sometimes comes in the examination, but most of the time the question are related from these ratios. So yes, inventory turnover ratio is very important and it can come in the exam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So what we were discussing, yes, I was going to share the question of inventory turnover ratio. Yes, actually, I have given, I think, this question as homework also. Which question we have solved in the class? You have solved in the class actually.
72.
72. Okay, so solve question number 78. I think this is also part of the homework. So solve question number 78. Read it and tell me if it is like you can do it. I think most of the question you can solve. You just have to like accept this that all these questions are easy for you. Hello, Sharuk. Hello, Sharuk. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you were absent in the previous class.
Yes, sir, I was absent.
So you have not studied the inventory turnover ratio.
Yes, sir, I know some.
Okay. If you know, then try to solve this question number 78. Okay. If you have like any of you like any doubt, you can ask question.
Okay.
Actually, 78 is also an easy one, not a difficult question like the previous class question I have solved. That was big. So the solution will be long, but not much difficult.
So we are doing the question number 78 once again, right?
What?
I mean, I'm asking just to confirm once again, like we are doing the 78th one, right?
Yes, 78 one.
Okay, thank you.
Answer.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, okay, just tell me the final answer. After that, I will ask in detail later.
5 times.
5 times. Okay. Okay. Just wait for a few minutes. How many of you, Janvi, you have joined? You didn't say anything. Like we are solving question number 78. If you have like notified, I will. Okay. I would have informed you that it is question number 78. Try to solve the question. If you are able to in time, then okay. Otherwise, like I will explain, then you can write. Okay. Shahrukh, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
How much?
5 times.
You were waiting that sir will
No,
ask, and
sir.
I.
Now only done.
Okay, that's good. Okay, if you have solved, that's good. But you have to inform me. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just okay.
I got 5 times, sir.
Okay. Abdullah.
Sir, 5 times.
Okay. So everyone is getting 5 times. That is great.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
someone tell me the opening stock and closing stock you get.
Yes,
Anyone?
sir. Opening is 32,000, right? Closing stock 96,000.
That's good. Very good.
Yes,
Yes, I
sir.
think yes. Yes, Sufyan.
Yes, sir. Is it correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Okay.
Okay. So everyone has solved the question correct. So that's very good. Okay. So this is the solution. I think you have done the same. Total revenue from operation, it is 4 lakh. Gross profit, you have calculated 80,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then cost of goods sold is 3 lakh 20,000, and 3 lakh 20,000 into 10%, it is 32,000.
Yes, sir.
This is the solution of question number 78. So, okay. So, if everyone understood, Janvi, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay. So now we are going to discuss trade receivable turnover ratio. Okay, after inventory turnover ratio, trade receivable turnover ratio. Yes. So, what is the meaning of trade receivable, first of all? Trade receivable. Turnover, I have already explained to you in inventory also that turnover here means different for different formula, but generally we say net sales. We take net sales as turnover. Okay, so turnover means net sales, but in this formula, like trade receivable, it will be credit sales, net credit sales. So we will take that. So trade receivable means the amount which is receivable from debtors and bills receivable. So total of debtors and bills receivable is trade receivable. Now, debtors means the person to whom we have sold goods on credit basis, and bills receivable is also related to that person, means that person is not paying cash. They have given the bills, like that they will pay the money in future. So for surety, uh, they have given the bills. So bills receivable is also money receivable, and we are going to receive the money from debtors. So both are receivable and current assets. Okay. So trade receivable is equals to total of debtors, like, and bills receivable. So debtors plus bills receivable. Now, what this ratio shows, so if you see here, it shows the relationship between credit revenue from operation, that is net credit sales, and average trade receivable. You can see the like slide I'm sharing.
Yes, sir.
Sometime I forget to share sometime, so that's why I'm making sure every time I'm sharing something new so that it is visible to you. Okay, so it shows the relationship between credit revenue from operation, that is net credit sales, and average trade receivable. This ratio indicates the number of times trade receivables are turned over in relation to credit sales. So, how much credit sale we are making in a year and how much we are able to collect from the debtors. Okay, so in comparison to our total credit sale during the year, we are comparing our like trade receivable at the end or beginning, means average trade receivable we are comparing it with. So the formula of trade receivable turnover ratio is credit revenue from operation divided by average trade receivable. Okay, so formula is simple. Now what it will tell us, let's say we have sold goods on credit during the year 5 lakh. Okay, and the remaining uh, average trade receivable is 1 lakh. So it means 5 times. Now, if it is higher, let's say if the sale is higher and trade average trade receivable is lower, it means we are frequently receiving money from the debtors. That is good. Okay. But if it is lower, means let's say if we are selling 5 lakh and there is still 2 lakh 50,000 not received, so average trade receivable is 2,50,000. In that case, that is not a ideal situation, not a good situation. Why? Because we are selling uh, total goods on credit 5 lakh and we are able to collect only half of that. That is not good. Okay, so that's why trade receivable turnover ratio tell us that how much uh, efficient we are in collecting money from the debtors. So this is the concept of trade receivable turnover ratio. Now average trade receivable equals to opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivable divided by 2. Now what is the meaning of trade receivable? I have just told you trade receivable equals to debtors plus bills receivable. Then there is a related formula you can write, is you can start writing actually, along with that I'm explaining. So trade receivable equals to debtors plus bills receivable, and if we have to calculate credit sales in the quotient, let's say credit sale is not given, total sale is given. So total sale minus cash sale. So this is your credit sales. Now please write this, the trade receivable turnover ratio and these two formula after that.
So can we take screenshot?
Yes, you can take, but other student is writing, so you have to then wait.
Never mind, I'll also write, sir.
Yes.
So we're gonna write everything.
This question you have asked in the previous class also, the same question.
I mean, I don't write. I don't feel like writing. I had
Then you can take the screenshot, no issue. I don't have any problem. You can take the screenshot, but then you have to like note it down before the next class and send me a picture.
You know what? It's better. I'll just write it down now.
That's what I'm saying.
Anyways, I got exam tomorrow also, so I won't be able to do it later on. So I'll just do it now.
That's good.
Good choice.
How is that even? It's okay in that sense. My bad.
Actually, I'm giving like every option to you that you can write it or take the screenshot, but there are some like you can say conditions attached.
Conditionalities, Yeah, I understand you. Yeah, आप तो बहुत अच्छे हैं ना?
Yes, I give all the options to the students. I always give. Now, who disconnected? Farheen not joined, and one more. Madiha not joined. Okay.
So someone left.
Yes, I thought so, but
Yeah.
everyone is here.
Oh, everyone's there, yeah.
Shahrukh is also here.
Why is my guy so concerned about everything?
Sir, it's Farheen.
Farheen joined, but I didn't see her.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then again, she will join. She has some network issues. Okay. Tell me after you have completed. And not the screenshot part because that is very fast. So,
Yes, sir.
not talking about that. Actually, why I suggest to write in like normal classes when we are not doing everything fast, so that the student collect these screenshot in the phone and they rarely note it down. Sometimes they note it down, sometimes it is like kept in the phone and it is like uh, storing new screenshot, and then there are so many screenshot that the student is very like uh,
Confused.
lazy in recording all these screenshot. So that is why I ask them, because it will take some time, obviously take some time, but then it will be easy after. You have to tell me when you have completed writing part, because there are some more formulas we have to discuss. Done? Actually, voice was very slow, so I'm confirming once again. Is it complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so these are the formula: trade receivable, debtors plus bills receivable. There is one more formula related to this, and that is called average collection period. There is a note also related to this topic. Yes, you can see here, note, provision for doubtful debt is not deducted. Means we have to ignore the provision for doubtful debt while solving the question of trade receivable turnover ratio. Why? Because provision is like estimation. It is not the exact amount that lost. Okay, it is just an estimation that yes, these money are going to be like bad or may be bad, not sure. So we are taking full amount of debtors, bills receivable, and net credit sale. Okay, so we don't have to consider provision for doubtful debts because it is not confirmed. Okay, so that's why. Also, if it is also confirmed, let's say bad debts, in that case also we can ignore, but generally bad debts we deduct because it is 100% sure that it is bad. So that's why we are saying bad debts. In that case, we have to deduct, but provision we will ignore while solving the question of trade receivable turnover ratio. So please write this note, and then I will write average collection period. Actually, the formula of average collection period should be after that. Okay, no issue. The meaning. So it shows that how much time it will take for the company to collect money from debtors. Please write this. In average collection period, you should write the meaning first and then the formula. Formula is 365. Actually, I will write the formula also so that formula is 365 divided by trade receivable turnover ratio. Or there is average trade receivable divided by net credit sales into 365. We can use this formula also. So please write this and tell me if you have completed.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now I will explain this. Anyone is still writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Complete it. Okay. Is any of you wear the like computer glasses, the screen glasses? Any one of you are
Sorry,
using?
sir.
Any one of you are using the computer glasses, the screen glasses, they say.
Acha, just like the blue filter something glasses, right?
Like for
Like
longer
not
time
with
period, if you are
yeah,
spending
yeah,
laptop,
without power,
yes,
right? Yeah, I have them.
you're using it right now.
I'm not using it right now, but I do have it. Why?
I wanted to ask that, is it like beneficial if we wear it like
Yeah,
every
to be honest,
price?
if you're using it like if you're getting the a proper aspheric lens, aspheric lens. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. So yeah, it really have a effect, because you can literally see before even buying it, they show you some tests and all, like with some kind of special UV light or something, putting on the lens, and the light which is coming out blue, it completely turns yellow after the lens effect. So it's actually kind of beneficial. I
It will
mean, but
comfort my eyes if I am sitting 4 5 hours.
yeah, in comparison, if not using, in comparison, if you're not using any type of glasses, then yeah, I guess.
Okay, that's why I have ordered one of the glass because sometime like after so many classes, it is like
Yeah, if you're using it for like long term, then it's beneficial, I guess. Short term,
okay.
में उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
Okay, so you have completed. Now I'm removing it. I have to explain and then we'll try to solve a question. First of all, when we say trade receivable turnover ratio, so if it is 5 times, it means that we are able to collect money from the debtors 5 times during the year. I told you one example that total credit sale is 5 lakh and the average trade receivable is 1 lakh. So it is 5 times. Now the thing is 5 lakh means the 5 lakh is not one time sale. It is like during the year on a regular basis. So let's assume that we have sold 1 lakh on credit, we have collected it, then again we have sold 1 lakh on credit, we have collected that also. So total 5 times we have sold our uh, like goods on credit basis, total 5 times, 1 lakh per time, every time, and 5 times we have made the total credit sale of 1 lakh, and in that only one time is not collected, means the remaining 4 times we have already collected. So it means total 5 times. Now the thing is that if in any year, the time period I'm taking 365, or we can take 360 also. So 365 if we take, okay, and the trade receivable turnover ratio is 5 times, means 5 times in one year if we are converting. So one conversion takes 73 days. One conversion means we are making sale on credit and we are collecting amount. This one conversion part is taking 73 days. So this 73 days we are calculating in average collection period. So average collection period will tell us about this. Is this clear? Average collection period is 73 days for completing one cycle, one conversion cycle. Now, one more thing we have to understand that average collection period, we have calculated 73 days. One time. Yes, yes. The formula we have written, average collection period, is 365 divided by trade receivable turnover ratio. The second formula is just the expansion of this. Why I'm saying this, you will understand. So leave the 365 here, and if I write it like this, trade receivable turnover ratio equals to net credit sales divided by average trade receivable. Is that correct? So if it is like in division, there are two times division. So we can do this like average trade receivable will go up and net credit sale will go down. So average trade receivable will become numerator. It is just reversed divided by net credit sales into 100 into 365, sorry, not 100, 365. So this is the same formula. We have just expanded the like concept trade receivable turnover ratio. We have like go in detail. So this is the concept. Now the question part. Tell me before starting the question, tell me if you have any confusion, any doubt, anyone.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Now this is trade receivable turnover ratio. If you are seeing the quotient.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, so okay, question number 92 I'm solving. Closing trade receivable is 4 lakh. Cash sales being 25% of credit sales. Excess of closing trade receivable over opening trade receivable is 2 lakh. Revenue from operation, that is net sales, is 15 lakh. So total sale is given and cash sale being 25% of credit sale. Okay.
So should we do this?
You want to try? Actually,
Yes, sir.
I was going to, but if you, it is not a difficult one, you can try. Take your time. I'm also solving. You also solve. I will not show you my answer. You will not show me your answer. So we will solve it separately.
Yes, sir. Which one? 91, right?
92.
Oh, okay.
Question number 92 it is. Everyone, if you want to try, please try. I'm also solving. So at the end, I will show you the solution. But it doesn't mean that you don't have to try.
So you said something to me?
No, I said something to everyone.
Sir, can you go
Like,
back to the page? A
yes,
second.
just 1 minute. I am stopped sharing. Like, I will,
Oh, okay.
then you'll see only that. Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. You have to solve question number 92.
Done, sir.
Very good. Very fast.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, tell me the answer. I have not completed it yet.
Sir, I'm using a gel pen, that's why.
Gel pen?
Yes, sir. Like it's quite fast to write with gel pen, so yeah.
So, but obviously we have to make some calculation. We have to present it. The presentation you have not done. Yes, I think.
Yes, I just wrote the formulas and the answer.
You just have calculated the amount. Okay, that is also fine if you have calculated the amount. So just wait. Don't tell me the answer. So
Okay, sir.
just wait for some time and then I will ask. But one more thing, if you have solved the question in the class like this in simple way, only calculation, but while solving at home as in assignment, so in that case you have to solve it properly. Proper presentation should be there because if you start practicing all the questions like this, then you'll have this habit, okay, without presentation. So you'll do the same thing in the exam and they will deduct the marks.
Okay, sir.
Any other student who is using gel pen? So all of you are using ball pen then. Actually, you have calculated fast, not due to pen. It is calculation. Pen is
Yes.
the secondary thing in calculating these things. Okay, so how much your credit sale is?
12, what is it? 120, how do I say? 12 lakh, yes, sir.
Okay, 12. Anyone else who has completed this?
So why did you have raised your own hand?
Yes?
You raised your hand in the meeting.
No? Why I will use my hand in my
Yeah,
own
just
meeting?
check it. It's visible to me.
Okay. Actually, it is coming in between. I don't know what is happening, but it is coming in like during the class.
Someone's
Okay,
hacking.
I
exactly.
do like this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, sir.
kind of the yellow
Yeah.
color one. Golden, basically.
It looked like jaundice hand. So that is not mine.
Lol. That was nice.
Sir, Shahrukh left.
Shaduk left.
Yes, sir.
Don't like say any student name like this.
Yeah, I mean, like, why is my guy so concerned, bro? Just be nonchalant. Who cares?
Huh? You should care about your classmates. You should not do like that.
I mean, it's not physical, right? Online. Might be some technical issue with the other person. You never know, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm informing him that he left.
Sure, sure. No worries.
Okay. You know each other?
Me and Sufyan?
Yes.
No, no. Obviously not.
No, no, obviously.
I mean, where are you from, if you don't mind me asking?
Kashmir.
No, I mean, like, sorry. Where do you live right now?
Saudi Arabia.
What? Hell yeah.
So,
We're in Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Right now, don't start chatting part. Uh,
No, no, just let me know. Just let me know. Where are you from in Saudi Arabia right now?
um,
you have not completed, Abdullah.
no, sir, yet
Which
not.
one?
Yet not.
This one, right? Not this one. This new topic, right?
Interested in talking only.
Yes, sir, only talking.
भाई बस कर दिया.
Like start touring the Saudi Arabia part. You'll find Sufyan somewhere.
So it's
Yeah,
massive. I
yes, sir.
won't be able to. I mean, if you're living in Riyadh or something, then I can come and meet.
I think he's in Riyadh, sir.
Okay, so average trade receivable is how much you have calculated, Sufyan?
300,000.
Okay. Anyone else completed the question? Maria?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much you got?
4 times.
4 times. Okay. Janumi?
Sir, I also got 4 times.
Okay. Sufyan?
4 times, yeah.
Okay. And Abdullah, I don't think you have completed. He is busy in asking, like, where are you from?
Yes, sir.
Abdullah, have you completed?
Which one? No, sorry, this one, no.
You don't know the question yet?
No, I know. I know, but I didn't started it actually. 92, right?
Yes. So you have not started solving question.
No,
At
not
least
this one.
just try to solve question because we have just studied the concept. If you have tried, I think it is very easy question. Yes. So everyone answer is correct. Maria, Sufyan, Janumi, all of your answer is very like good. You have solved the question properly. Okay. So which one of you have like solved the question properly by presenting it? Or you have all of you have done just calculation part? I think
Can
just
you repeat?
I'm asking, you have solved the question properly as per the proper presentation, or you have just done the calculation part?
Yes, sir. I wrote all the formulas down.
That's good. That's good. Okay, so this is how you have to solve these type of question. Uh, you can see here, I have
So,
assumed credit sale as X, then cash sale X into 25 divided by 100, 0.25X. Then cash total sale equals to cash sale credit sale 0.25X plus X. So 1.25X equals to 15 lakh. It is 12 lakh. Closing trade receivable is given in the question 4 lakh, which is excess of opening like by 2 lakhs. So opening is 2 lakh. So 4 lakh plus 2 lakh divided by 2, average trade receivable is 3 lakh. So 12 lakh divided by 3 lakh, it is 4 times. Tell me, is this a easy one?
Yes, sir.
Actually, we have not solved any question of average collection period, so I will try to find any question of that. And in the next class, we will discuss trade payable turnover ratio. So if you have any question, you can ask.
No, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Any
So
question?
your smile is looking nice, you know.
I always like smile and it always looks nice.
Nice, nice.
Yes, anyone wants to ask question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you understood the concept of trade receivable. Inventory turnover ratio we have done in the previous class. We have done some question, but I think you have understood in the previous class. So any question if you have at any point of time, you can ask. You can also send it in WhatsApp. I will reply. Okay. So try to solve question, revise the concept because exam is not far now. It is after like 2-3 months. So you have very less time to